Hello dear friends, first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it so that you will get the notifications of the upcoming videos. So dear friends, today here we are going to learn the new topic, report writing. Subject English, class 12, marks 4, page number 64 and 102 of your textbook. Next slide. So dear friends, before we start, let's know the importance of report writing. Report writing is very important part of writing skills. Report writing deals with narrating an event in details after proper exploration and investigation of the facts. In report writing, the author has to describe the fact of the event beyond the surface level. People watch or read reports for more information about the event. In today's world, good reports are considered as a decision-making tool. It is used widely for investigation, evaluation, for development of skills, for professional purpose, and so on. Dear friends, here we have to learn the newspaper report writing and report writing for magazines. So let's go for the report writing. मित्रांनो, अहवाल अथवा वृत्तांत लेखन हा आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनाचा भाग आहे. एखाद्या घडलेल्या घटनेचा, बातमीचा संपूर्ण आढावा घेण्याची उत्सुकता आपणास असते. ती एक मानवी सहज प्रवृत्ती आहे. वार्ताहर, पत्रकार अशा प्रकारचे वृत्तांत वृत्तपत्रात लिहित असतात. अनेक मासिकांमधून सुद्धा आपणास अशा प्रकारच्या वृत्तांताची व अहवाल लेखनाची नियमित ओळख होत असते. तर चला शिकूया अहवाल लेखन कसे करायचे ते. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Dear friends, points to follow while report writing. Now here, these points you have to follow while report writing. First here, give appropriate title to the report. Dear friends, you have to give the appropriate title to the report. Give detailed information regarding time, date, venue, occasion, participants, chief guest, and so on. The events should be in proper order as they happened. Use simple and grammatically correct language. So dear friends, follow these points while report writing. Next slide. Now let's go for the format of report writing. Here the first point is heading. If you are writing a report for magazine, then it is called as heading. And if you are writing a report for any newspaper, then it is called as headline. So heading or headline, the first point. Byline. Here you have to mention the name of the person writing the report. Dear friends, here you have to write the name of the writer, report writer. But remember, friends, you don't have to write your own name in the exams because of the identity reasons. Instead, write XYZ or the name provided in your question paper. Here, let's go for the third point. Place, date of reporting. So friends, here If you are writing any event report to publish in a newspaper, then you have to write the date and place of the event. But if you are writing the report for the college magazine or informative report on any place, festival, lifestyle, and so on, then there is no need of writing date and place. Again I repeat, dear friends, if you are writing any event report to publish in a newspaper, then you have to write the date and place. Okay? So if you are writing the report for the newspaper, then you have to write the place and date. But if you are writing the report for the college magazine or informative report on any place, festival, lifestyle, so at that time there is no need of writing date and place. Okay? Introduction, opening paragraph. So it is the opening paragraph of your report which gives a short glimpse of your report details. Main paragraph. It gives detailed information of the report. It may contain 2 or 3 subordinate small paragraphs. And the last one is conclusion. Here it is the short summary of your report. So dear friends, follow this format while report writing. Next slide. Now friends, how the question will be asked. Here let's go for the question. Write a report of the celebration of the sports day in your college to publish in a newspaper. Your name, G.P. Kute. So here your name is given here, G.P. Kute, and you have to mention this name in your answer. Okay, you don't have to mention your name. You have to mention the name as given in your question paper. If it is given, then you have to mention that name, and if not given, then you have to write X, Y, Z. Okay, again I read the question. Write a report of the celebration of the sports day in your college to publish in a newspaper. So here you have to publish this report in a newspaper. Hence, the day, date and venue of the program, the chief guest, participation of students, main points of the speech of chief guest, cultural and sports activities, and your own points. So in this way, the question will be asked in the examination. So how you have to answer this question? The answer is given on the next slide. Next slide please. So dear friends, this is the answer. Now here I have given the title first. Title of the report: Sports Day celebrated in AGM Junior College. Here the next line, on next line, here name of the writer, G.P. Kute, as given in the question paper, and here date, place and date, because here this report we are going to publish in a newspaper. So that I have written the place and date. If you are writing a report for college magazine or any informative report on any way, on any, we can say that place or festival or lifestyle, then you don't have to write the date and place. Okay, so here this report we are writing to publish in a newspaper, so that I am writing the place and date here. Okay, so let's go for the answer. Title: Sports Day celebrated in AGM Junior College. name of the writer G.P. Kute. Nagpur, 29 August. Sports Day celebrated on 29 August in AGM Junior College, Nagpur, with great zeal and excitement in the presence of the famous cricketer and former Indian team captain Mr. M.K. Prasad. 29 August is celebrated as Sports Day in India because it is the birthday of the Indian legend hockey player Dhyan Chand. Next slide. Along with the chairman of the Modern Education Society, Mr. Manoj Singhania, chief guest Mr. M.K. Prasad, and principal of the college Mr. Sunil Joshi inaugurated the ceremony. In his opening speech, Mr. Prasad shared memories of his life journey from a ticket collector to the captain of Indian cricket team, and also narrated the importance of games and sports in our life. Next slide. While the chairman, Mr. Singhania, said that we should not ignore sports because it teaches us how to face the problems, overcome from the failures, and digest the success. After the inauguration program, sports events started. Students from 5th to 12th standard participated in sports events including high jump, long jump, pole vault, running race, football match, cricket match, sack race, and so on. Next slide. 12 Science won the cricket trophy, while 11 Arts students won the football title, and overall champion trophy was awarded to the 10th standard students for their all-round performance. The winners were awarded prizes by the chief guest. After the sports events, the principal inspired the students in his short speech and also declared holiday of one day with thanks to all. The sports program ended at 5 p.m. So in this way, here we have to write the report. Next slide. Homework. Dear students, now here question. Write a report of Teachers' Day program celebrated in your college to publish in a newspaper. Use the following points: detailed program, students' participation, speeches of students, chief guest, and principal. Add your own points. So here, friends, complete the homework. Next slide. Dear friends, complete your homework and send it on my WhatsApp personal profile. If you have any difficulty, any problem regarding this topic, you can convey it on my WhatsApp profile. Best wishes. Thank you.